My name is Steve Wozicki of Wozicki's Birdhouse and Rescue, and we take in abused, abandoned, neglected birds. We rehabilitate them and make them adoptable again to human beings. It may take a week, it could take a year, it could even take longer due to the trauma some of these birds have gone through. Wozicki's Birdhouse and Rescue was down to next to nothing back in 2012. With a new group of volunteers and help from other people, we have come a long way. My job is 7 days a week, basically 24 hours a day. I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, have my breakfast, come down here, and we start feeding, start watering, then we start cleaning cages. I'm here from anywhere from 5 o'clock in the morning till sometimes 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And sometimes all the work doesn't get done. The rescue basically survives on my Social Security income and any donations that may come in. Birds have become part of my family. They're like my children. Everyone has a different personality, a different outlook on life. Some are loving, some are testing, but they're like my kids. I love each and every one of them. Kiss for Daddy? Huh? Every week we get phone calls, anywhere from 10, 15, 20 of people wanting to relinquish their birds. They have nowhere to go. The reason for this video is we're seeking help. The present building that we're in, a new person bought the building. Last week I got a letter in the mail stating he wants us out by December 30th. So we're looking for any help that we can get because rents we've been looking at are extremely high and it's tough trying to find a rent for 80 to 100 birds. Because we looked at a few buildings now, but need reconstruction, walls built, ceilings put in, and etc. prior to the birds going in. We're looking for anything and everything from anybody, anywhere.